Hi. If you want to find a way to maintain healthy hearing or improve your hearing that doesn't look good for some reason, without surgeries or medications, today in this Cortexi review I'll tell you everything about Cortexi supplement. I'll talk about what Cortexi is, if this supplement works, the ingredients, benefits, and how to use it, and I have really important alerts, so stay with me and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. An important point of attention is to be careful, because with the success of Cortexi, unfortunately a lot of people are selling fake products on the internet, but according to the manufacturer, the original Cortexi is only available on the official website. Don't waste money and time with a fake product that can harm your health. To help you, I'll leave the link to the official website below in the description of this video. According to the World Health Organization, 50% of hearing loss and impairment is avoidable with early detection, prevention, and management. The ear is a complex organ that can be easily damaged. Many studies confirm the fact that tinnitus is a nerves-related dysfunction. Left untreated, constant ringing in the ear can lead to complete hearing loss. Cortexi is 100% natural formula expressly designed to support healthy hearing and mental sharpness well into your golden years. Experience for yourself the joys of hearing your loved ones clearly, and the sound of your favorite song. Reduced noise and interference. Increased mental sharpness and stronger ability to form memories. But, what is Cortexi? Cortexi has provided amazing hearing support for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s and even 70s. Because it was engineered based on teachings of modern science, Cortexi formula is very gentle yet very powerful at the same time, using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. What are Cortexi benefits? Cortexi's incredible formula brings together high-quality raw ingredients sourced from different parts of the world that work in synergy for maximum performance. It is the only natural supplement that supports healthy hearing with proven results. Cortexi's many benefits include natural formula, plant ingredients, non-GMO, easy to take, can be added to your coffee or any other drink. Non-habit forming. Cortexi is safe because this supplement has FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities in the United States under sterile, strict and precise standards. Cortexi has been tested in labs and there are no side effects reported. Cortexi is non-GMO, non-habit forming, and it doesn't contain any stimulants or toxins, which means you can trust this product. Cortexi is delivered in so many countries. How to use Cortexi? Just take a full dropper under your tongue in the morning before breakfast. Or dissolve a dropper in a glass of water and you will love the results and how you'll feel, but you need to take the treatment seriously. If you use the Cortexi supplement and want to see results, your body absorbs the nutrients differently. Some people experience health benefits after using this supplement for a few days. However, full recovery can take up to 3 to 6 months, which is why it is recommended to order 3 to 6 bottles to see the best results. The more bottles you buy, the cheaper it becomes. Another interesting thing about Cortexi is that the supplement has a 60-day guarantee that you can test it during this time, and if you find that it doesn't work for your body, ask for a refund and you will receive your entire investment. This product has already changed the lives of thousands of people around the world, and it can do the same for you. Plus, you still get shipping all over the US by ordering 3 or more bottles. You also get 2 more bonuses, but only on the official website. It guarantees free shipping, and also the discount offered by the manufacturer. And of course, to buy the original product safely, so be quick and access the official site in the link in the description of this video before stocks run out.